guys, so we are on the set of Queer Comedy, and Professor is in shooting now, so you know, just I get the background and all of these things from the perspective of the actors, from the so I'm gonna show you a little bit of stuff what's happening. So guys, this is after the first shoot. Professor is feeding his face. Prof, how was the first shoot?
It was good. I'm a little concerned about the sound, but it was alright.
This is the cast of the Bartender, and we're at the Rituals Cafe.
The Richie wasn't on the black and the black. The Richie wasn't on the red and the black.
Oh, we go.
Xpressionz. Take it to them. Xpressionz. Take it to them.
We're dancing. This is how we survive each and every day.
Alright guys, so we're on set again. No, this is the court scene. No, it's not a normal behavior when we reach court scene. So, you know, I mean, just a prep set, it may in the shot. So, I'm gonna show you what's happening. Alright, so they just did a clipping and they're watching it back to see what is happening. So the professor is setting up the shot, so let me get out of the way. So we're going into the now.
Let's step down. Mr. Hardwick, your opening statement.
Who is saying bomb?
D. So, Mr. Director. Mr. Director, what is that look for?
That's stressing.
Remember say listening. Miss Goody, how is the sugar? Never ask if you cast your eye.
Someone knows some things I'm gonna like. See, going in a come up step and that, get a hold her hand. I don't know, something or something. Fine. Smell something.
So, Goody, I wanted to ask a serious question. Did you really, let me, did you really assault this witness?
Salt and pepper. Every season I can do. Just never let it go.
5, did you contribute to the beating? Here then, no man, I don't have to stop it. Right now, I don't have to stop. Taking a water break.
The accusers brought up this here before.
Before that clean and nice, eh?
The pretty, don't it, Judge? Talk it again, Judge. Judge, talk it again.
William, Mr. Burns from Miss William. They had a failing relationship and he left her.
So Kadim is studying his lines.
Also, at the same position.
So dog bed, how do you feel walking into the courtroom with Browning on your arm and Goody sitting in here?
I just act me and act, so me.
Miss Rookwood,
What's your relationship like with Miss?
what has your experiences been since the beating?
My feet is swelled. My head is hurting. My leg is hurting. No after anything else.
Mr. Wilson?
Were things really that bad between you and Mr. Burns?
Well, we normally have a little problems, but we don't make up. You understand? But you
We call Simone Williams to this time.
Miss Williams?
Oh, we love the lines of bubbles walking.
Yeah, but you see me when you walk in. You see me.
Yeah, but look up.
Alright, sit here.
A moment, Your Honor. Key witness. Who am with the case?
She said it all.
Look like it was
was thinking that
I already know.
we didn't have the issues, but we always make up. Since the bartender get to come around, it's not there.
I was introduced to the Bartender series by Toy Curry, and it's really great, and you guys should go and watch it. Subscribe!
Thank you.